Is your desktop is boring like this? Let's change that in 2 minutes with just two free tools. First, open Microsoft Store, then search for Lively Wallpaper. Then choose this app, then click Install. I already installed. Let's open the app. Now go to the Lively Wallpaper, then choose any wallpaper you want. Just click on that wallpaper and minimize the app. Next, make your taskbar looks clean and transparent. Simply go to the Microsoft Store, then search for Translucent TV and choose this app, then click install. I already installed it. You don't need to open the app, just simply go there and right click on the app, then go to desktop, then choose the last option. Now you see the magic of the taskbar. If you want this setup every time when you turn on your PC, just simply go there and right click on the app, sorry, and enable this option. Also does the same to the lively wallpaper.